Hey guys, Fraser here from Sherwood Dodge. We got a 2021 here Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit behind me here. As you can see, the Summit is equipped here with the front sensors as well as the adaptive cruise control and the front collision warning. Summit does have nice chrome features, as you can notice throughout the vehicle. Of course, comes equipped with the keyless entry here, and as you pop in here, it does have the nice logo there on the bottom, flipping up. Full 19 speakers, Harman Kardon surround sound, memory seat. And of course, like I mentioned, this is a Summit, so absolutely fully loaded here. All the safety options, blind spot, heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Come into the rear here, heated rear seats, all your USB and outlets. As well, you do get the upgraded leather here, full panoramic sunroof, come on the back, your back camera, rear sensors, power and lift gate as well. You'll have a full spare underneath in the back. Message me on Facebook or comment below, Fraser at Sherwood Dodge, or feel free to text or call me 780-977-3852.